welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to remove FRP from Samsung Galaxy A15 model S156V Android 14 FRP. As you see, I've read the information, it is bit S Android 14. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is we need to go to samfw.com and we need to download the model Android 15 or 16 for the same model. So I just wrote the model S156V and then I'm gonna select Android 16 over here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download the oldest Android 16 that I can get, which is this one. So just click on it and we're gonna see for the download options. Okay, so like I told you, this is Android 16 and it is the security patch old one, like 2025. So we're gonna choose one of the download options over here. I prefer logging with Google Drive, and after that hit continue. So we allow the SamFW to make files on our Google Drives. Click on download from drive and it will take a few seconds to load the file and you will have a download link. Okay, once you got that, click on download and this is the file, the link that you're gonna have. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download from Google Drive on my customer's device, on my customer's phone, computer, sorry. And it will take a while to download. This is a big file, like 6.5 gigabytes. And once it is downloaded, you'll need to open. It will have 4 or 5 files inside: AP, bootloader, CP, CSC. Right click on all of these and then hit copy. The next thing that you need to do is you need to create a folder. I'm going to create it on desktop in order for me to have it easy to access. I'm going to name it the code of the device S156V. And what we're going to do is we're going to paste the firmware files which are located on the first file that we downloaded. I'm going to speed up the video so it will not be a long video, but this process might take a while. Okay. Once we downloaded that, we are ready for the second step. We need to download a tool called Albviral FRP tool. So tinyurl.com/albtool. This is the link that you gotta follow. Click on download, and this is a small file. So basically it will download a couple of seconds, and you need to do the same thing. You need to open what's inside. You need to copy. And then you need to go on the folder on the desktop which you created earlier, right click and then hit paste. This is the second software which will help us to put the phone in download mode. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to google.com and download Odin. Open the first option, download Odin. We're gonna click on the option over here, Odin 3.13.1, close the ad. Okay. And then we're gonna download the latest version of this software. So for now it is 3.14.4, but in the future they might update this. So always download the latest one that you can find. Like we did with other two files, we're gonna copy what's inside the download file and we're gonna paste it on the same folder. So the next thing we need to do is we need to open the Albviral FRP tool. So this is the tool and it has the key over here. In my case, it is registered, but if you need the key, this will be the key that you need to use in order to activate the software. Open Albviral FRP tool and plug the phone into normal mode. So this tool is very easy to use. All you need to do is you need to click on download mode over here. What this will do is it will trigger the phone to go into download mode. Basically, you can do this also without this software. So meaning that you can use buttons, power off completely, and then hold volume down and power. But this will make it much easier. The next thing is we need to open Odin. Click on BL over here, go to the folder where we extracted the files, and we're gonna select the file that starts with BL. We're gonna do the same thing on the CP box over here. We're gonna select the CP file. On the CSC, also we're gonna select this file that starts with CSC, and on the last one will be the AP, which we're gonna do the same thing. What I'm gonna do in order to speed up the process, I'm gonna rename it. I'm gonna remove the .md5 and I'm just gonna leave it on .tar, and then the final step will be flushing the firmware. So Odin will flash the latest firmware, the firmware that we downloaded. In this case, it is the Android 16. And once you do that, the process should take about 5 minutes or so. And the next thing that you need to do is you need to go through the setup on the phone and skip Wi-Fi. So it is important after this process is done, you need to skip Wi-Fi. Otherwise, the process might not work and you might not have another shot. So if you already are on Android 14, on Android 15, or on Android 16, you need to follow up our channel because you have different videos over there, how to do FRP on different devices, on different Android patches. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.